Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 14th of August and today we are going to see very important 10 questions. So be attentive and be focused till then. And to get PDF of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username The Students Point. So let's begin. But if you are finding this video useful, don't forget to like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. So let's begin now. But first we will see a question. Everyone has to try to answer this question in the comment section. The question is, Montreal Convention of 1999 in news recently is related to, these are the options. Read the options carefully, then answer it. Let's begin now. The first question, Papum Reserve Forest is located in, so it is located in Arunachal Pradesh. So here D is the right answer. And it is an important bird and biodiversity area in Arunachal Pradesh. It is located between two important bird and biodiversity areas, which are Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary to the east and Pakke Wildlife Sanctuary in the west. This reserve forest forms part of Eastern Himalayas endemic bird areas. It is largely covered by subtropical dry evergreen and semi-evergreen forests, and it is habitat for colorful fruit-eating hornbills, wrens, and oriental pate. It was in news because a study has recently flagged a high rate of deforestation in Papum Reserve Forest. Next question now. Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation was constituted in, so this award was constituted in year 2018, and its objective is to promote high professional standards for investigation of crime and to recognize such excellence in investigation by investigating officers. It was in news because the award for this year has been awarded to 121 police personnel. Out of this 121 police personnel, 15 are from CBI, 10 each from MP and Maharashtra Police, 8 are from UP Police, 7 are from Kerala and West Bengal Police, and the remaining are from other states and UTs. This also include 21 women police officers. And now only 2 days are left to subscribe to this monthly kind of test series with the offer. The offer is for reduction of the price till 15th of August. You can subscribe to the plan for 3 months at just rupees 200 and for 6 months at just rupees 385. The offer is valid only till 15th of August. After that, the prices will be back to the normal. And after subscribing, send your confirmation at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. The links are provided in the comment section as well as in the description box. Tap on the link and choose your plan and subscribe as soon as possible. Next question now. Which company received Federal Communications Commission's approval for Project Kuiper satellite constellation? So it is Amazon. Amazon has received approval for its Project Kuiper low orbit satellite constellation to provide internet access. It will provide internet access to unserved and underserved communities around the world. And a SpaceX, you must have heard about a SpaceX, which is another private company. It is rival in this area, and it has also planned to launch 4,425 satellites under its Starlink initiative. So remember that Starlink initiative is an initiative of SpaceX. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Committee on Business Responsibility Reporting. Let's see. The committee was chaired by Gyaneshwar Kumar Singh, who was Joint Secretary in Ministry of Corporate Affairs. This statement is correct. It recommended a new reporting framework called as the Business Responsibility and Sustainability Report to better reflect intent and scope of reporting on non-financial parameters. This statement is also correct. So here both of the statements are correct. C is the right answer. And it recommended 2 formats for disclosure for the companies, which are one comprehensive format and the another one is light version. The implementation of the reporting requirements should be done in a gradual and phased manner. It also recommended that BRSR be integrated with MCA 21 portal. Next question now. Who has been conferred with Asia College of Journalism Award 2019? Investigative Journalism. So it is Nitin Sethi. Nitin Sethi has been awarded for investigative journalism, and KP Narayan Kumar Memorial Award 2019 has been given for social impact journalism to journalist Shiv Sahai Singh. So remember this difference, that Asian College Journalism Award 2019 has been given to journalist Nitin Sethi, that for investigative journalism, while KP Narayan Kumar Memorial Award 2019 is given to journalist Shiv Sahai. So you can remember by a trick that Narayan, Shiv, both are name of God, lords. So you can remember by this trick that Narayan to Shiv and another award is Asian, given to Nitin Sethi. And the award were presented in a virtual ceremony by Soumya Swaminathan, who is Chief Scientist of WHO at the inauguration of class of 2021. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Council of Architecture. It is a statutory body constituted by Government of India under the provisions of Architects Act 1972. This statement is correct. It is charged with the responsibility to regulate the education and practice of profession throughout India, besides maintaining the register of architects. This is also correct. So again here C is the right answer. And it was in news because Union Education Minister has launched Minimum Standards of Architecture Education Regulation 2020. These regulations have been prepared by experts of Council of Architecture. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Swachh Bharat Mission Academy. Swachh Bharat Mission Academy, with its mobile-based technology, will significantly boost capacity building efforts in training of Swachhagrahis. This is correct. Swachhagrahis are those who are engaged in Swachh Bharat Mission. So here first is correct. And as of now, the content of SBM Academy is available only in Hindi. This statement is also correct. So here again both of the statements are correct. C is the right answer. And users are expected to dial into a toll-free number. This is the toll-free number, and complete listening to the entire content in their mobile phones. This academy will train Swachhagrahis as well as community-based organizations, NGOs, and other associated with phase 2 of the Swachh Bharat mission. It was in news because Union Minister for Jal Shakti has launched the Swachh Bharat Mission Academy by dialing the designated IVR toll-free number. Next question now. Krishi Megh, which is a data recovery center, has been set up in. So it has been set up in NAARM Hyderabad. And it is Union Agriculture Minister who has launched ICAR's Data Recovery Center. The move is aimed at protecting precious data of government's premier research body, which is ICAR, and it has been set up under National Agriculture Higher Education Project, and it is jointly funded by government and the World Bank. And it has been set up at National Academy of Agriculture Research Management in Hyderabad. And currently the main data center of ICAR is at Indian Institute of Statistics Research Institute in the national capital. And if you have not liked the video yet, do like it and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Next question now. STT-40 in news recently is a Aran. So it is a trainer aircraft. So here B is the right answer, and this is how this looks like. And the Defence Acquisition Council, chaired by Defence Minister, has approved procurement of worth rupees 8,722 crore, including 106 basic trainer aircraft for Indian Air Force. It has also approved procurement of an upgraded version of Super Rapid gun mount, which is fitted as the main gun on board Navy and Indian Coast Guard warships. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Arundoi. It has been launched by Odisha government. No, this is wrong. It has been launched by Assam government and not by Odisha government. So here first is wrong. The scheme is being launched to help in women financial empowerment. This is correct. Under this scheme, rupees 830 rupees per month will be given to poor households. This is also correct. So second and third statements are correct. D is the right answer. And this scheme is the biggest scheme in Assam that will benefit more than 17 lakh families. So I hope you find the video useful. Do like and do share the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.